there is a lot of work to be covered. The scope is very huge. But what I've noticed, ever since there is this Jika Imfundo program, educators do cover the scope in time. If it happens that I discover that an educator is stuck, maybe I sit down with him or her, talk to him or her, and find out the challenges he or she is coming across. I strongly believe that with Jikimfundo and its tools, few years to come, I'll be the best of the best departmental head just because my work is so smooth and stress-free.
With educators, they welcome the program because it has all the material. It came with the ready-made material in terms of the lesson plans. I'm feeling great because there's a great improvement on the side of educators on preparing themselves, on the side of learners when performing in the classroom.
My name is Lindy Wenchaba. I am a post-level 1 teacher teaching junior phase grade 3. This file contains all my lesson plans for the year for each term. This is the lesson plan for term 4, and these are the trackers that I follow to track my curriculum for the term. Today, this is the lesson that I'm going to do with my learners, which is writing and group-guided reading. As a teacher, this Jigimfundo system has made me gain a lot of confidence. The reason is, when I wake up in the morning, I know exactly what I am going to do with my children. It has planned for me for the whole year, for the whole term, daily plan, daily preparation, daily activities. I know exactly what to do. It also promotes children to be able to speak, to be creative, more especially the use of the charts that develops thinking in their mind. They are able to create something, to write, to speak, and to have confidence.
As an HOD, I do class visits to monitor the work for educators and check the learners' work, check the DBEs, the workbooks from the Department of Education. One-on-one meetings helps me to get the problems from the teachers or the challenges. I feel secured and motivated that I have a plan. My confidence grows when monitoring the work because I do have a plan. I only prepare. What are the challenges you're facing when you are expected to teach 3 activities in class in 1 hour?
It's easy to do 3 activities with the learners that are coping, but with the learners with learning barriers, you sometimes find that it's hard to go together with them. You need to arrange what to do with them, and need to have time to give them individual attention.
How do you think I can help you?
Maybe in the morning classes, I would like to be helped, to be given different activities and to be guided, given different techniques and strategies to help them.
Are you using the consolidation time where
Yes,
you
that's
go
the
back
time
and
I
assist?
used to go back and assist where I didn't finish and where they didn't understand, especially those groups that needs more of the teacher's attention.
I met with Lindy on one-on-one meeting and I had all the challenges and the needs where she needs me as an HOD to support her. Then now I went to the office, then I write all the challenges down and I will write a report to the principal and I will organize the one-on-one meeting together with the principal and the deputy principal so that we see how to help the teacher. And I also make sure that I support her so that she can be able to use tracker correctly and implement Jika Imfundo correctly. This is Lindy West English tracker for grade 3. The tracker helps the HOD to be able to track the curriculum coverage easily. It has assessment term plan. It tells us on week 3, day 4, the teacher is supposed to teach listening and speaking for group 2. It helps me to track her lessons and also to see that she is online with the dates for assessment tasks. I can see the curriculum coverage, because after teaching each and every activity, she needs to reflect on that activity. After monitoring the work with my phase, then I create the phase improvement plan. Then I take my phase improvement plan together with the report of all the challenges from the phase. I go to the principal and we set one-on-one meeting. When we're there, we discuss them, and we always come with a solution. Then I'm able to assist my educators in my phase.